Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn how to convert your LinkedIn profile that people can tag you in their post. So I will show you how to make it visible. So first step is to go inside the profile and click on the setting and privacy. On setting and privacy, there would be a visibility on the left corner, visibility and in visibility. You can see on the bottom side mentions by others. So make it off or on. Allow mentions, allow others to mention or tag you in the content posted on LinkedIn. So make it on. This will allow other people to tag you on the LinkedIn. Thank you very much.